What's going on, everybody? This is AB2 Phones checking in with y'all. So today we'll be comparing the Pixel 9 Pro XL with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You're probably wondering, why is he comparing the iPhone 15 Pro Max and not the 16? Well, I'm poor and that phone is definitely too expensive for me, but I do have my hands on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I thought it would be good to compare this phone. Also, we all know that Apple is the king of optimization and the Apple chips usually age better. So I think it would be pretty cool to run a comparison with an older Apple chip. We'll be doing a app opening speed test, a scroll test on some of our favorite applications, and some cool animations test. So like the video if you want to help me out, but if not, that's cool, and let's get into it. So the Pixel 9 Pro XL is running on a Google Tensor G4 4nm chip with 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with the Apple A17 Pro chipset, and the rest of the phone specs are listed here. And let's get into it. So if you have an iPhone 15 or 16 or any iPhone, then it's important to keep that thing protected because you know these are very expensive. So here is a great tempered glass screen protector from Ultra Glass. This doesn't only protect your phone, but it's also ultra simple to put on the phone. It comes with a dummy proof installation kit, which was specifically made for us. Even if you mess up, it has multiple glass screen protectors inside each packet. First, you dust off your phone, then all you have to do is place the phone inside the installation kit, pull the tab, and let it do its thing. And there you go, ultra fast and ultra simple. So if you need to protect your iPhone, then check out the link down below. Alright, that's it for this video. Let me know down in the comments which phone y'all think won. If you're interested in any of these wallpapers, check out the wallpaper pack linked down below. And if you want to know how to turn your Android phone into a dumb phone, then check out this video right here, and I will talk to y'all next time.